Hello everyone, welcome to Orchid C Learning. So today let us solve one NCO question paper. As you can see, this is the question paper of the year 2019-20. It means it is a latest question paper of class 2. Let us begin. You will get total 35 questions in the exam. So let us start then. So today's first question is, select the odd one out. Look at the options here. Option A, option B, option C and option D. Can you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is D, ice cream, because all these three are sports accessories, whereas ice cream doesn't fit into this accessories. So the answer is ice cream. Question number 2 is, find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the three figures. Look at the figures carefully. So there is one rule followed in these three figures. You have to guess that rule. What is the rule? It is subtraction. Okay, let me explain you for the first figure. In first figure you can see the numbers are 12, 15, 27. So you need to subtract from this direction. When you subtract 27 minus 15, it becomes 12, and 12 minus 12 is 0. The same rule is applicable for the second figure. Now we have to find the missing number here. The number from which if we minus 9, it should be 43. So what will be that number? Look at the options and try to minus 9 from all these numbers. It should come 43. So what is the answer? Yes, it is 52. Option A is the answer. Next question. Which of the following board sits second to the right of fourth board from the left end? As you see, this is right end, this is left end. Now the fourth board from left end is P, Q, R and S. S is your fourth board, isn't it? Now from fourth board we need to find the second right. To the right side of S, first is T and second is U. So our answer is U. B is the answer. Okay. Next question. In which of the following figures given figure is exactly embedded as one of its parts? Look at the given figure. Now look at the options. Option A is Z, U, T, D. Now you need to guess the correct figure. Can you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is C, because T is exactly embedded in the given figure. Understanding? Next question is, who is heaviest? Look at these three figures carefully. Now you need to find out who is heaviest. Karan, Sumit, Punit or Tarun. As you can see in the first picture, both are of similar weight. In second picture, Tarun is little heavier than Punit. But in third picture, Sumit is more heavier. Okay, so the correct answer is B, Sumit. This was about logical reasoning. Now next coming to computers and information technology. Okay. Question number 6. Which of the following is or are electronic devices? Option A, juicer. Option B, computer. Option C, washing machine. And option D, all of these. Can you guess the answer? Yes, it is very easy. The answer is all of this, because these all three are electronic devices. Next question. Ayan wants to create a new folder on desktop. Which of the following is the correct order of steps to create a folder on desktop in Windows 7? Okay, they have given one order. So we need to connect the exact order. They have given the step number 1, right click on the desktop. Step number 2, type the name of the folder and hit enter key. Click on folder, a shortcut menu displayed, and click on new. So now look at the options carefully. Now let me tell you the correct order. The correct order is right click on the desktop, then a shortcut menu is displayed. Now you have to click on New, then click on Folder, and at last you will type the name of the folder and hit the enter key. So in that case our answer is option C, 1, 4, 5, 3 and 2. Okay, so the answer is option C. Next question is, identify the following device. They have given the hints. Hints are, without this device you will not be able to perform anything on computer, and it is known as microprocessor. Now look at the options carefully. The answer is B, because this chip is called as microprocessor, and without microprocessor you will not be able to perform anything on computer. Next question, identify the area where computer is used to maintain the player's record and record the match activities. Okay, options are hospital, bank, gardening and sports. So where we can maintain the player's record and record the match activities? Yes, it is sports, D. Next question, it is the processing unit of a computer. All major activities of the computers are coordinated by this part of a computer. Identify it. Options are CPU, mouse, headphones and scanner. So which is a processing unit of a computer from all this? Yes, the answer is A, that is CPU. Question number 11. Which of the following is the basic feature of a computer? Look at the options. It can think, it can work without electricity, it can store information, and it can make its own decisions. The correct answer is C, it can store information. Question number 15. What is a screensaver? Options are, it is a program that displays moving pictures when you have not touched keyboard or mouse for a certain period of time. Option B, it is an icon that appears on the desktop. It is the first screen that appears when you switch on the computer. And option D is both A and B. Can you guess the answer? Your time starts. Yes. The answer is option A. It is the program that displays moving pictures when you have not touched keyboard or mouse for a certain period of time. Okay. Question number 13. In space agency, computers are used for dash. Option A, maintaining cache records. Option B, launching rockets. Option C, playing games. And option D, buying tickets. The answer is option B, launching rockets. How many types of portable computers are hidden in the given word grid? Now in this word grid, you need to find the names of the portable computers. Okay, so let us see. I can find here LAPTOP laptop, then TABLET tablet, and here we also have DESKTOP desktop, but desktop is not a portable computer, so we found only 2. So the correct answer is only 2. Option B is the answer. Question number 15. Identify the keys by the given description. Description is X, it is used to open start menu on the computer, and Y, it is used to cancel a process running on the computer. Now you need to identify the correct answer. The answer is A, because Windows button is used to open the start menu and escape key is used to cancel a process running on a computer. So the answer is option A. Question number 16. Which of the following statements indicates that computers are used in hospitals? Options are, not options, they have given the statement. Statement 1 is, they are used to maintain records of patients. They can be used to diagnose diseases in patients. they can help the doctors in performing operations. Look at the options. Only statement 1, only statement 2, both the statements 2 and 3, and option D is statement 1, 2 and 3. So think about your answer. Yes, the answer is option D. All these 3 statements are correct where we can use the computers in hospitals. Okay. Next question. Question number 17. Which of the following tasks can be done with the help of given device? Identify the given device. What is this? It is a mouse. Now what are the tasks? See the options. Selecting an item on desktop, dragging and dropping items, opening an item on a computer screen, and option D is all of this. The answer is all of this because all 3 actions we can perform with the help of mouse. Next question. The given sequence of images represents a or an dash. See this sequence. The sequence is, it's a glass of water, then refrigerator, and then ice. Options are AIP cycle, IPO cycle, IOP cycle, and PMO cycle. So what is the answer? The answer is B, IPO cycle. It represents IPO, that is input processing output. Input is water. If you put water into refrigerator, it's a processing. The processing is done by refrigerator and we get the output as ice cubes. So the answer is IPO. Next question. At shopping malls and stores, computers are commonly used for dash. Option A, drawing pictures. Option B, billing. C, watching movies. And D, playing games. The answer is B, billing. Next question. Which of the following tasks cannot be done with the help of given part of computer? The part is a joystick. Okay. Options A is, it is used to listen music. Option B, it is used to record voice. Option C, it is used to play games. And option D, both A and B. Our answer is option D, both A and B, because both A and B cannot be done with the help of joystick because joystick is used only for playing games. Next question. Select the correct match. Now, option A, a special function key F12. The key is used in combination with other key to type the upper symbol available on the number keys Alt. This key is used to cancel menu or dialog box caps lock, and this key is used to type capital letters Home. So what is the correct match? The correct match is A. A special function key is F12. Okay, because all F1 to F12 are function keys. Next question. Which of the following statements are true? The statement 1 is, a mouse can be wireless, a keyboard can be wireless, touchscreen computers are used for both input data and displaying things, optical mouse has a ball inside it. Options are both third and fourth statement, B, first, second and third statement, option C, second, third and fourth statement, and option D, all 4 statements are true. So what is our correct answer? The correct answer is B. First, second and third statements are true. Fourth statement is wrong because optical mouse doesn't has ball, it uses light. Okay, so the correct answer is B. Next question. To insert dollar in a document, you should dash. Options are, press the $4 key. Option B, turn off the numlock key and then press the $, key. Option C, hold the shift key and then press the dollar key. And option D, hold alt key and then press the dollar key. So, can you guess the answer? It is very easy. The answer is C. You need to hold the shift key and then press the dollar key. Okay. Next question. Identify the shape marked as cross in given image of MS Paint in Windows 7. So this is the image of MS Paint in Windows 7 and they have marked this shape as a cross. Okay. Now we need to identify that shape. Options are pentagon, oval callout, diamond and cloud callout. Can you guess the answer? Yeah, it is oval callout. Okay. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following mouse actions when performed on this symbol, this is a recycle bin symbol I guess, icon of Windows 7 will display the given window? I repeat the question. Which of the following mouse actions when performed on this icon of Windows 7 will display the given window? Options are left click, right click, double click, drag and drop. So what is the answer? The answer is double click. When we double click on this icon, this window will get displayed. Next question. Which of the following MS Paint shapes is used to draw the given image? To draw this image, which of these shapes we can use? The options are line tool, diamond tool or diamond shape, star shape and rectangle. The correct answer is line shape. Option A is the correct answer. 27th question. What is iPod Touch? Options are Apple's latest mobile phone, a portable media player produced by Apple, Apple's latest tablet PC, and a version of the popular iTunes. The correct answer is iPod Touch is Apple's latest mobile phone. Okay. Next question. The default extension to save a file in MS Paint of Windows 7 is dash, .png, .bitmap, .jpeg, .docs. The correct answer is .bitmap. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 29. What is the correct description of the given device? This is your given device. Descriptions. Option A. A small portable computer in which information can be entered by directly touching the items on screen. Option B. A lightweight calculator that only performs addition and subtraction. Is it a calculator? No. Option C. An intelligent machine that has sense organs like humans. Oh my god. And option D. None of this. Of course, the correct answer is A. It is a small portable computer which is called as tablet or iPad in which information can be entered by directly touching the items on screen. Next question. Match the following. Column 1. Microphone, speakers, motherboard, or it's a circuit. Column 2. It is used to record voice in computer. We will match with microphone only. It is used to listen sound, speakers. It is a circuit board found inside CPU, C. So you will be matching like this straight. So the correct answer is B. A1, B2, C3. Next, Achievers section. Question number 31. A touchpad is a pointing device that can be used for moving the pointer appearing on screen by moving finger on a flat surface. Which of the following devices generally includes a touchpad? Scanner, headphone, mobile phone or smartphone? The correct answer is smartphone, D. Next question. Which of the following statements hold true about the term password? The statement 1 is, it is a secret series of characters used to keep your computer safe. And statement number 2 is, it may consist of alphabets, numbers or symbols. Both the statements are true in case of password. So the correct answer is C. both statement 1 and statement 2. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the command buttons marked as X and Y in MS Paint? This is X. It is called as rectangular selection in MS Paint, and this is Y. This is for select all. Okay. Option A, X reverses the current selection and Y selects entire drawing. Option B, X changes the height and width of selected drawing and Y selects entire drawing. Option C, both command buttons rotate the selected drawing, and option D, both command buttons change the degree of entire drawing. Now you need to think about your answer. The answer is B. X changes height and width of selected drawing and Y selects entire drawing. Okay. Next, 34th question. Observe the snapshot given here carefully. Which of the following keys would you press to highlight the cancel button in the given dialog box? Okay. Options are Escape, Control, Tab, Enter. So when you want to highlight cancel button from don't save, which key you need to press? The answer is C, that is Tab. And our last question for today's question paper is, Virat was absent from school for one day. His class teacher asked him to submit the leave application for that day. He immediately went to the computer room and typed the application on the desktop computer. Then he took the printout and submitted the application. Which of the following devices is not required in this activity? So, options are printer, he used the printer. Keyboard, he used the keyboard also to type the letter or leave application. Monitor and microphone. Monitor he used. Did he use microphone? No. So the correct answer is D, microphone. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like this video, and stay tuned for the next coming Cyber Olympiad or all these Olympiad question paper or sample question paper videos. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Your comments and suggestions are valuable to us.